Hi everyone, Jacob from Bookkeeper here. In one of the other videos, Camp asked us to explain the Bookkeeper trial balance. So let's have a look at that. Okay. So here we have the Bookkeeper balances total function, which will give me the total balance value of all my debits and credits in this case, assets and liabilities on the 30th of December 2024. Now let's copy this same function and see what happens if I fetch the trial balance of this same query. You see, it gives the debits and the credits, the total of all my accounts on the balance sheet, assets and liabilities. Okay, so you see that the sum is the same of the total as well as the debits and credits. Okay, apparently this year we had a loss, and now let's have a look. When I extend this, you can see that on the 30th of December we didn't book any retained earnings yet. Okay, so let's have a look at the 31st when we book in the result from the income statement into the balance sheet. Okay, so the total already gives a nice 0 result, and the trial balance should give the same, which is correct. Okay, and you can see that the retained earnings were booked into as a debit because it was a loss. Now this is a very good way for you to check if your debits and credits sum up to the result of a balance value which you have on your book or on your report. Now with the hierarchy you can be more sure that this always sums up correctly because of bookkeeper auditing. But if you use not normalized accounts and groups, cross groups for example, the debits and the credits still must sum up to the right value. Excuse me. So it's a very good way for you to check if your debits and credits sum up to the same amount of your total balance value that you are reporting. Okay? Hopefully this explains how you can use the trial balances on Google Sheets. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to give a like. And if you have any specific questions about your use case, you can always reach us through our support channels. And for now, happy bookkeeping. See you on the next video.